Before we start the installation, let's open the package, identify the parts of the ceiling fan, and make sure that we have everything we need for the installation. Open the battery cover located at the back of the remote control. Select a unique frequency on the remote control by moving the frequency pins on the back of the remote control. Close the battery cover. On the receiver, open the back rubber cover and match the frequency that was set on the remote control by moving the frequency pins. Insert the black rubber cover. Insert the receiver into the hanging bracket with the flat part facing up. After the receiver is properly installed, connect the terminal plug connector. Now, close the ceiling cover. That's it. Your remote is installed.